Hi guys, good morning. For today's video, I will show you how to make Arabic food. So first guys is I will boil the chicken with the vegetables and I will put into the Pyrex. I remove the laurel and I will put this to the oven 15 minutes. I need garlic, laurel, and dried lemon to remove the smell. So like this guys. So I put vegetables like carrots, zucchini, small squash, potato, and eggplant. Then I put this. Now guys, I already put together the Pyrex. So our next steps is I open the oven first. It's already 5 minutes. So I put now. Look, it's young na. This is my sir favorite. So I will cover and I will put to the oven 15 minutes. So like this. 180. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.